Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called DALL-E 2. Now before we start, what is this DALL-E 2? DALL-E 2 is an improved version of the original DALL-E image generation model created by OpenAI. It is a machine learning language that can create original images from textual descriptions. It has an impressive ability to generate realistic and detailed images based on written prompts. It can generate higher resolution images, handle more complex and detailed image generation tasks, and generate images that are more diverse and creative. And as you can see over here on our screen right now, we are currently at OpenAI, and the product we are looking at is the DALL-E 2. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Try DALL-E. And then over here, we will be redirected to the login page, or if you don't have an account, you can simply click on the sign up option over here, and then this will redirect us to this sign up page. Now you're going to enter your email address. I'm going to use this temporary email address over here. Unfortunately, sign up is currently unavailable, but this is due to the amount of people creating accounts to try out the different AIs of OpenAI. And if you want to sign in, sometimes you would need to wait in line before you could create your own account. But if you have an account, you can simply click on login and then enter your email address. And after signing up, we would be redirected to this page over here. We have history over here on the top left. We also have collections. And this collection over here will display all our different outputs that we have asked DALL-E to create for us. We can also scroll down over here. This is where we can see the different styles that DALL-E can produce. Hovering over here, we can see a message over here. This will allow us to have an idea on what to type in so that we can get this specific style over here. For example, this picture we can see over here. Create this type of art style. We would need to type in a Van Gogh style painting. That phrase is very important. If we want to use this photo of a computer over here on the left side, we would need to type in the style of vaporware. Over here we have the digital arts. Could also use futuristic lit neon. Could have a 3D render. Could have a cartoon. The type of phrase that you're going to use is very important so that we can give the AI an idea of what exactly we want to use. And through these pictures over here, we would have an easy time to know what we would need to type to get the specific effects over here. Now you can choose any of these options over here, and then you can simply copy the way of phrasing they use over here. And so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to enter an idea that I want to see. For example, a goddess walking through the universe, just like that. And then we're going to look for a style that we want to see. Now I really like this style over here of this basketball photo over here. So the keyword of this image is an expressive oil painting. So that's what we're going to do. An expressive oil painting of a goddess walking through the universe. And description that you add, the better, because the AI would have a lot more information to work around so that it can create the image that you are trying to create. Now you can simply click on generate over here and then it will start generating. But as you can see, there's an option to upload an image over here also. Now by doing this, you would be able to upload an image that you already have, and that this AI will try to edit the image into the specific style that you want. You could also add more details to it if you want. But right now, we're only going to focus on entering a prompt over here, and we're going to click on generate. Now keep in mind that DALL-E has a credit system. By clicking your profile over here, you can see that we have 50 credits over here. Now, every time we ask DALL-E to create a prompt for us, it will subtract a credit from our account. And that means that we can keep creating images as many as we want. But that's only for the free. If you want to buy more credits, you would be able to create more prompts, as many as you want, depending on how many credits that you have. Now, we're simply going to wait for our image to finish. As you can see also over here on the right, while waiting for this to finish, we have the recent section over here. This will save all our generated images through DALL-E so that we can later on look at them once again so that if we want to access them once again, we could simply go over here, then we would be able to view our old prompts. And if you don't want to keep your history, you can simply click on clear on this button over here. We are also seeing tips over here on the center on how we should operate DALL-E. It's giving us tips on how we should create our prompts so that we can get the most effective results. And it's going to allow us so that we can get the image that we want. And over here, we can see that DALL-E has finished generating our image. We have 4 options over here, and we can choose any of this option. The one that I like the most is this photo over here, so we're going to click this. And as you can see, there's multiple options over here on the top. We can edit this photo, we can change the variation, we could share this, we could save it, and under save, we could save it to our collection or to our favorites. We could also create another collection. Or if we are satisfied with this creation, we can click on download over here. And if we want to edit this, we can click on edit, and then you can change, and then you can click on the area that you want to change. For example, this area, just like that. We can erase this, just like that. And then you can add more description over here, and then DALL-E will update our AI generated image over here. We're going to cancel this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to try and create variation by clicking this option over here. And then this will now generate more images that has different variation using the image that we have selected as the basis. Then we're going to wait for it to create our image once again. And just like that, it has generated us different variation for our image. As you can see, this is the original image, and these are the different images that it has created as a variation for our original image. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is how the credit system works. We're going to click on this option over here. And as you can see, the credit was lessened from 50 credits earlier, and it took 2 credits from us after we asked DALL-E to create the image that we saw earlier. Now, to add more credits, you can click on buy credits, and you would be able to add as many credits as you want, of course, with a price. 690 credits cost like $90 to buy, and that way you would be able to create 690 credits worth of images. Or if you don't want to wait for that, if you just want to remain free, you can simply wait for 2 weeks to replenish your credits after using them all. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use DALL-E 2. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.